So now I'm going to go really big. This concept of what is this world, this thing. So this is God, universe, the thing in which existence functions, and that is Uar, Uar, Uar. Think of like looking up at the sky and just kind of in wonder you make a sound, and that's the sound for this word. Now, if we want to be more physical, like the physical sky, that thing over us, so that could be sky, air, the physical heavens, even light, and not as in weight, but like the like photons, light. That would be uai, uai. So you can see that we're using that e sound for things that are more concrete. We're using the sound to represent things that are less concrete. And so that kind of figures through the system of this language. So we have Wa, which is God or the universe, the thing in which we all live and move. And Uai is the physical heavens. So now obviously we're going to talk about the opposite of those physical heavens, which would be like land, dirt, solid, or practicality. And that would be Mai. So again, it can be the physical ground, it can be dirt itself, or it could be the this concept of being solid or practical. So now we're going to combine those two concepts and talk about like life, like animals or animate life. So this concept of being alive, that kind of thing. It is ea. So this intersection of that intangible and the tangible. Then, of course, we have the things that are not animate. So stillness, things that don't move but may still be alive, and that would be awa, awa. So plants, anything that, stillness as a concept, not really like, I guess it could be physical stillness. Again, we'll see how that plays out. And then let's, of course, talk about death or ceasing, and that would be rah, rah, rah. Just cutting your breath short, like it's over. So that can be death, dead, or ceasing, like to do something. So stop something. And the opposite of that, life, vitality, like your spirit, that would be an inhale. Let's do that again. So we kind of keep it short, so it distinguishes it as a word from a breath, but again, we're imitating something that is a very natural process. So that life or vitality is, and calmness or peace, like the feeling of calmness, peace, tranquility, that's just a simple exhale. Makes you feel better. Now you might notice at this point that if you wanted to say calm yourself, you could simply breathe in and breathe out. You've just expressed a sentence. So now let's talk about some ways to modify some of those words. If you want to say something is small, or few, or fast, or light, as in like not heavy, you just say yoni, yoni. Keep the word short and quick, yoni, as if like you saw something scurry away very quickly, yoni. So that is small, few, or fast, or light in weight. Then the opposite of that would be whoosh, as if expanding. Whoosh, meaning big, many, slow, or heavy in weight. So you can see how these concepts kind of roll together. You can get the idea how I was thinking. If we want to say strong or brave, so having this power or bravery to face something, doesn't have to be physical strength necessarily, we say chew, chew. Again, lots of ways you could express that. I just chose that one, chew. Now for thinking about something, the idea of thought or thinking, that's going to be Pretty easy, right? Again, trying to imitate like you're thinking, but we want to make it a word, so we go put a little stop in the middle. Now, if we want to convey something, say something, or give something, we are going to say la, la. So this could be taking something to someone, this could be saying something, or communicating something, or just giving something to someone. And then if we want to talk about perception or understanding, we add outside to that word. So it becomes kala, kala. And there you have what I'm calling this language. Since language is a way of conveying or perception of understanding, so we have this sending out of a perception of understanding. We have kala, or receiving it. So it could be coming from the outside into us. That's what language does, is it lets us communicate across that gap. So the language is being called kala. And again, if you have trouble with that, you can just change that to an R sound or a trilled R. If you can do the kalar, that's perfectly fine. If you could say kalar, I think it loses something. But, again, we're making it up. You can say it any way you want. If you speak it and I speak it, it's now in two different regions. So we can have regional dialects. So then, finally, the last word in the entire language is how do you make a question? So if you want to make anything into a question or talk about the concept of confusion or questioning or the unknown, we just make an inflection. We just go, very natural, like, huh, and you put that at the end of a sentence, and there is a question. So now, I was thinking about this for quite a while to see if it would actually work. I was bored. And so I jotted down just whatever popped into my head, and so I have some sentences that are in Kalah. So let's try them out, and you'll get an idea of how to put things together.